I want to welcome you to the Ask Jeff YouTube channel. And well, today there is not a question of the day because I am actually on the other side of the world. I am right now on the journeys of Paul. Cannot wait because in the days ahead, I'm actually going to get to lead a trip through the places, the towns, everything that the Apostle Paul got to experience on his respective 3 journeys. So that being said, for these weeks, we have decided to do our most viewed questions. Now, not just the last week or month, but throughout the year. So enjoy some of the great questions that you've submitted throughout time.
Number 8.
Did Moses have 2 wives? One is mentioned in Numbers chapter 12, verses 1 through 3, and Zipporah in Exodus chapter 2, verse 20. Or is this the same woman? Well, pretty much we concede that it's probably not the same woman. The bigger question is, were both of them his wife at the same time? And this is where the scripture gets a little bit in the gray area. The passage that you refer to in the book of Numbers chapter 12 refers to the wife of Moses as that Cushite woman. In fact, if I remember the story right, his brother and sister get upset with her and her relationship to him versus Zipporah in Exodus chapter 2 when he's on the backside of nowhere after killing the Egyptian, is whom we know is the daughter of his father-in-law, Jethro, who gives all the great wisdom, leadership advice, etc. To the best of our ability, or shall I say the best of my ability, I do believe that these are 2 different women, but they were not his wives at the same time. The Bible does not say explicitly that Zipporah died, but we know she did at some point. It just doesn't say when it happened. So I would concede because Numbers 12 calls her a Cushite, and because Zipporah was not a Cushite, we're dealing with 2 separate women. At no point in the life of Moses are they both described as being alive and, quote, related to him at the same time. So I concede 2 different women, 2 different scenarios, 2 different times in his life. Great question. If you have one, send it to AskJeff.net. Maybe your question will be tomorrow's. Thanks for being a part of today's daily question. Now, we answer a question each and every day. Please feel free to submit a new question at AskJeff.net. We may not have gotten to yours today, but we eventually will continue to be a part of this. Subscribe so you don't miss out on a question every day.